This video will show you how to use favorites on the new VIZpin Smart app. When you first open up the VIZpin Smart app, you will see all available smart keys. If you click the info button, you can then add the smart key to your favorites by tapping the star on the top right. You can add as many smart keys to your favorites as you would like. To filter your smart keys and only see those on your favorites list, simply tap the star on the main screen at the top right. You can use this list to unlock the doors or gates that you use the most. If you would like to view all of your keys at any point, simply untap the star on the main screen and you will see all available smart keys again. If you want to remove a smart key from your favorites list, simply click the info button again and then untap the star. This will then remove the smart key from your favorites list. For more tech tip videos, please visit VIZpin.com and click on the Resources tab.